All right, hello. So we're continuing on with the series of things to look for or ask about when you're on your search for a dog trainer. We've already touched on the subject for board and trains, the importance of seeing the trainer's home or the kennels, the facility, or where your dog would be staying for that board and train. Now, the other thing we want to ask is for that trainer, how many dogs do they keep and train at the same time? At any one given time, how many dogs are in their care? How many dogs are they training? You know, it needs to be a good low number per each individual trainer. If one has 5 or 6 dogs, that is too many dogs for them to give good quality care and training in a day or in a week or two, or however long your dog is staying at that person's house. So there is ways where you can stagger them to have start dates and end dates. But again, there's only so many hours of the day to be able to devote to those individual dogs. You've got to remember, aside from training, there's care, exercise, feeding, plus the person who's doing the training, they have their own life too. You know, they've got to go do their things. They have to maybe go shopping. They have to take care of their kids, their family. So anything that we do is going to take away time from that dog. Those are all things to come into to play and to factor and to consider. So the bottom line is, we want to make sure that the place you're going to is not all about numbers, because there's a lot of them. They just want to get the dogs in, get as many as they can get in, make as much money as they can, push them in, push them out, just like an assembly line. And that's not a good way to operate or to get good training for your dog. So you're looking for the welfare of your dog, the health and the safety and the best training that you can get for that dog. Look at the facility, where they're staying, how many dogs do they train at one time. All right. And, you got to make your decision based on those things and more. So we'll talk a little bit more, some other things to look for and to ask for. But that's it for today. How many dogs do you train at one time?